I'm going to be showing you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android and iPhone. So in order to do that, you just need to start by ensuring the app and your device are up to date. So just go to your app store and download Microsoft Authenticator if you don't have one. But since you're having problems with the app, you should already be using that app. So it looks something like this. So the first thing you can do is update the app. Just go to your app store and instead of the option Get, you'll find Update. Just click on that option, and the next thing you can do is update your actual phone. Keep your device's operating system updated to the latest version and make sure you check your internet connection as well. Ensuring your phone has a stable Wi-Fi is one of the best things you can do to make sure it's working. So there are also some basic things you can do, like restarting the app and restarting your phone altogether. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. If you have been using a VPN, then you need to temporarily disconnect to see if it resolves the issue, and if it does, then you might not want to use VPN in the future. If you're using iOS, then ensure that your location services are enabled for the Authenticator app, and in this way you can successfully fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android and iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.